Welcome to this guide that will show you in a simpler and faster way to capture in your code the data of the Telegram account that is opening your app through the mini browser integrated in Telegram. We will create this example, which consists of a simple HTML page with a few lines of JavaScript inside GitHub, which will also provide us with fast and free hosting where we can publish the created page. Let's create a new repository. To publish our app, we will use the free Pages feature. With the integrated GitHub editor, let's now write these few lines of code. Let's create a new file that we will call index.html and start writing the code needed to display a page. We import the Telegram library into the page to manage the initialized data in their web app. Let's wait for the JS library and the rest of the DOM to be loaded, and then proceed to check if the browser contains the Telegram web app data. Let's commit this file to its repository. We activate the page's service on the repository that we find in the settings section. We choose the branch from which to take the file to publish, which is master, and press save. Now we will have in a public URL our page reachable and reachable from the internet. The domain on which it appears depends on our username on GitHub and the name of the repository. The page needs a few seconds to be put online from our repository. Let's wait. The page does not load any data because it is the Telegram app that, by opening the page, will initialize this data. If we open the page in any other way, no data will ever be received. Telegram can send a user's data only to a properly registered web app. Let's open Telegram and search among the contacts for a particular bot that takes care of the configurations of bots and Telegram apps. Let's create a new bot with the commands you see on the screen. Now let's set the working domain of our bot by copying the URL of our page created on GitHub. Let's create a new app hooked up to the bot we just created, where we will set the web app URL to the address of our HTML page on GitHub. Now the bot is configured. Everything is ready for a final test. Let's click on the web app link and launch our application. And here is our script in action that detects the data of the Telegram user who opened it.